Hello friends, welcome to Hotspan Kitchen. Today I am going to make Matar Paneer. For that I have taken a cup of matar, 100 grams of paneer, 2 medium size onions roughly chopped and 2 medium size tomatoes roughly chopped, some garlic and ginger. So let us start making the Matar Paneer. I have taken a pan, pouring about 2 tablespoons of oil, roughly cut onions, saute till the onions become soft. Let us add some garlic. This is 5 to 6 pieces of garlic and some ginger. Saute this also. Adding some cashew nuts. This is purely optional. If you don't have, you may skip this. Now let us add the tomatoes roughly cut. Some salt as well. Let the tomatoes become soft and close it with a lid so that it becomes fast. The tomatoes have become soft, so I am offing the flame and wait for to become cool, and then I will be grinding the mixture. This is the masala that I have ground. So let us take this out into a bowl. This is the masala. So let us proceed further. I have taken a kadai, pouring 2 tablespoons of oil. Taken bay leaves, cinnamon and 2 cloves. A tablespoon of jeera, let the jeera splatter and we'll add the ground masala. To get a good color, let us add Kashmiri chili in the sides, taking 1.5 spoon. You add like this, or when the oil is put, that time you have to add the chili powder and immediately the mixture, so that you get a very good color to the sabji. Saute this until the oil comes out. Into this, let us add the dry masalas. Half a spoon of turmeric powder, one spoon of coriander powder, one spoon of jeera powder, half a spoon of garam masala. Let us saute until the oil comes out. Let us close this for 2 minutes. Let us add the green peas. This is fresh peas, so it takes little time to cook. Adding a cup of water, and let us close it for 3 to 4 minutes to get cooked. Let us add some salt. And paneer. This is 100 grams paneer. Let us open. Oil has started coming out. So now let us put some coriander leaves. And off the flame. This is the Matar Paneer that I have made today. It has come out very well. This is the Matar Paneer that I have made today. Friends, if you have liked my recipe, please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll meet you with another video. Thank you so much.